Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 24th, 2021. We're going to talk about Cardano today. You guys maybe have heard that eToro is going to delist this currency, ADA, from their exchange. I just want to come in and talk to you all about it because we've already known that ADA's price was weak. So we're not surprised. We're not going to try to coordinate and connect this information as to why ADA's price is going down, because that's not the reason. We was already in position on November the 15th, telling you all that the weakness was apparent in ADA and be prepared for the price to go down. So I wanted to talk about what I'm looking at now to the market in ADA so that we can continually be in position and dominate this cryptocurrency space. So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I'm not here to give any FUD, any FOMO. I don't care about what these articles are really talking about, because price is the early dictator to show us what the market's about to do. Let me show you why. You guys can see right here from Business Insider, right? And it reads, the title of this article, crypto broker eToro says it will delist Cardano and Tron for US customers by the end of the year because of regulatory concerns. All right, cool. Big deal, right? So just to show you that that is accurate, here is eToro's announcement right here. It was done by eToro about 2 days ago. Well, yesterday, November 23rd. eToro will be limiting ADA and TRX for users in the US. These US users will no longer be able to open new positions in or receive staking rewards for Cardano and Tron. You will still be able to close existing positions as you see fit. All right, cool. Now, a lot of people are going to do YouTube videos telling you that this is why ADA's price is down 4% right now. No, that's not the reason. Because without that information, price, you guys can clearly see, was still going down. Way before eToro came out with that announcement, price was still weak. So that's not the reason why ADA's price is down. The reason why ADA's price is going down is simply because people don't want to buy it at those prices. If there's no buyers, price will go down, period. If there are buyers, price will stay there or elevate to show you that there's interest and demand for this instrument, for this currency. So let's talk about it real quick. You guys can see, like I said, November the 15th was the last video I did. I was telling you all to be ready for the price in ADA to go down. Everyone else has been doing videos telling that the price is ready to go up. This is the prime opportunity to come in and buy ADA, and here we are. Price is going down instead. So you can't say that we didn't give you all a heads up. We did, right here. So if we were to get out the market now, 19%. All right, cool. Let's get rid of it. Because I wanted to show you, okay, we're in a downtrend in ADA. The demand in ADA has been waning. It is what it is. Now, the question that I want to ask you all is, this is where the trend actually started in ADA, back in the beginning of the year. Okay, now look at this. This is where the trend is, right? Now, we have a small space of 2 days to where the market came below that ascending line, 2 days. But we're close enough to where we're testing this trend again. We need to allow the market in ADA to go up. This is what we need to see. I'm telling you this off the rip. Price needs to go up right now. If we continue to see the weakness in ADA, we have broken this trend that we started all of 2021. And people will still do videos in 2022 telling you to come in and buy ADA when this whole market trend has been broken. So we definitely need to be prepared, right? If the market in ADA is not going to uphold to this trend that we've been following for the whole year, then where are we going to go? Where's going to be the next likely area for price to come in and be propped up? $1.60, $1.40, name, I can see $1.40. Right here on the daily chart, I can see $1.40 being maintained as support. So let's see what we have on the 2-day time frame though. Okay, so this is the 2-day time frame. Weakness is still here. Okay, I'm looking for the price to go down in ADA. And if we continue to see the weakness, then these areas right here would be restriction. Okay, first area will be that ascending line. Second area would be $1.80. Third area is going to be $2. I'm playing the weakness into the market in ADA until I see price break back up above $2. Yeah, I'm telling you that right now. I'm not looking for the price in ADA to go up until we see it break above $2. There's no denying price gives us what it is. Price tells us the actual truth. There's no lying when it comes to price charts. It's literally dictating to us what it wants to do. The people are. Whoever is involved in ADA is telling us what they're doing. When price goes down, majority of the people are selling. It is. When price goes up, there's interest and demand. People are trying to buy the market in ADA. So this is the 3-day time frame, and you guys can see right here, okay, in ADA, we should have seen the price continue to go up on this 3-day price bar, and here we are on this last completed 3-day price bar. Price went down instead. So it lets me know that we couldn't uphold this trend right here. It lets me know that the market was unsuccessful at holding the trend. When it gives you this information, you got to act reasonably and say, all right, cool. I cannot will what I want the price to do. You have to let it tell you what it wants to do, and you simply follow what's going on. This is ADA on a 2 weeks time frame. Okay, look at this last completed 2-week price bar. So we can't deny it, right? There was enough people who was willing to buy ADA over the last 2 weeks because price came up there and hit $2.40. But during that time frame, we only closed down here at $1.80. That's massive. That tells us that there was more selling than there were buying. So let's go ahead and let me show you where I'm looking for the market to try to come in and find support, because right now it's in free fall. We haven't found the area of support yet. So even though I'm giving you some areas, namely $1.60, okay, that's the first spot right here around $1.60. Well, I would do $1.50. That would be the first spot, $1.50, which gives us 9.64%. Second area is going to be $1.40. I could definitely see the market in ADA trying to come down to $1.40, because that's a pretty good area to where the market was acting as restriction, right? You guys can see it. Let me circle it right here. This is where the market was being restricted in ADA, and we saw the market trade sideways since like February, broke out, came back into that consolidational range and started trading sideways again, right? So I'm definitely seeing the market in ADA trying to hit $1.40. Okay, that's going to be a second area. And that's it. I'm done. I mean, there's nothing else for us to really see. The market is telling us where it's trying to go. We're in a downtrend right now into the market in ADA. We're playing the weakness. We got 2 areas for us to grab the bag, take the profit, $1.60 first. Second area, not $1.60, I said $1.50. Yep, $1.50 first. Then the second area is $1.40, $1.40. And that's it. Until we see price come back up above this ascending line, until we see price break above $2, we understand that the market is generally weak, and we're going to play the weakness to the downside. All right, so that's it. I'm done. It wasn't hard, was it? It wasn't confusing. I simply shown you a couple of time frames on the price chart, showing you where the people are selling, where the people are buying, and we came to the conclusion that the market is still trying to go down. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know what you think your price prediction is in the market in ADA over the next 3 weeks, because you got to learn how to do this for yourself. I know some of you may be long-term holders, hodlers in this space in ADA, which is cool. This doesn't really is applicable to you then, but you can still learn. You can still try to understand how the market really operates. So drop a comment right now and tell me what you think the price is going to be in the next 3 weeks. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.